Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Canvas on your songs inside of your Spotify artist's dashboard. My name's Manifest, also known as Chris Greenwood from Smart Music Business. I got over 500,000 monthly listeners, and we are going to add a Canvas video. This will help you to increase your views and shareability, especially on Instagram. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to Music. And I'm going to find one of my songs. I noticed one of my songs that had a lot of plays called Diamonds. It's done pretty well. Let's just see all time. It's had about 1.1 million streams, and I noticed it doesn't even have a canvas, and I've got a great video that I could add to it. So I'm going to click on the song, and then right here I'm going to click Add Canvas. And it says that, look, the ratio needs to be 9:16. I've been told by people that that's got to be 1080 by 1920, so 1080 width, 920 length, and it's got to be an MP4. It's got to be 3 to 8 seconds long, MP4 only. They're really strict with this stuff. And so we're going to use a software and make a video right now using Camtasia. Okay, and I've dragged this video in here, and just so you know, this sizing of the video, all I did was I clicked preferences and I changed the width to 1080 and the height to 1920. Alright, I did the canvas dimensions for that. Alright, and then when I clicked new project, it gave me that sizing. So that's how I got that. And so all I did here was I just dragged this video in here. And I just wanted something that's like really moving and really energetic and cool looking. And so I've dragged that to the timeline here, but that doesn't fill up the whole thing. So I'm just going to put one more video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to click on this line here, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to put that on the top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that up here like that. But I want a different part of the video, so I'm going to drag the video out. I'm going to drag this over like that, and I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to drag that out. And now when I play this, and I'm going to mute it, so because we don't need to hear it, just want to see it. It's got two different videos playing, and it's just kind of cool. And the idea is to grab their attention, right? That's the whole purpose of this, and hopefully make them go check the music video. So what I'm going to do now is click Share. I'm going to click Export, and I'll just put that into my downloads. I'll call this Diamonds Canvas. Click Export. Okay, that's done. So let's check the file, reveal in Finder. I'm going to open it up. Okay, it's 8 seconds long, which is good. And again, I could put another video down here and fill up the whole thing, but it's all good. So I'm going to click on my page, click on this plus sign here. And again, I'm in artist.spotify.com. All right, if you haven't created an account and claimed your profile, make sure you do that. Click plus, click Diamonds. Boom, there it is. Click Next. Click I agree to the terms, post, it's uploading, and we are done. It says your canvas could take up to 10 minutes to process. You may close this window. We'll let you know when it's done. And so now when I want to share that on Spotify or share it from my Instagram profile, we have actually a video that I just created, and I'll put a link to it after this. I think it is, if I just click on date. We have a video on Spotify promotion, how to share your song from Instagram stories so that the canvas shows up. I'll create another video on that, on how to do that. But again, go make some canvas videos, upload them to your songs, because it makes a difference and gets you more fans, streams, likes, and shares. And it allows you to connect with your fans on a deeper level. Make sure you subscribe to my Smart Music Business channel for more videos.